Ever wanted people to contact you on WhatsApp directly from your Facebook page? Here's how you can do it. To begin with, open the Facebook app on your phone. After that, click on the three lines menu at the top right and choose the page you want to manage. Once you are on your page, tap the three dot icon located just below your profile photo. When the new screen appears, select Edit. Then scroll down and click on WhatsApp number. Moving ahead, click on Add WhatsApp. Here select your country code and type in your WhatsApp mobile number. When you are ready, click on Send code to the WhatsApp number. Now the verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp number. Enter that code to verify the number. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.